Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to GitLab, access projects and pipelines step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type your GitLab URL, such as gitlab.com or your company's GitLab domain. Press enter and wait for the GitLab login page to load. Look for the sign-in button and click it if you are not already on the sign-in screen. Choose the correct sign-in method, such as username or email, OAuth, or SSO, depending on your setup. If you use username or email, click the field and type your GitLab username or your email address. Click the password field and type your password carefully. Check that caps lock is off to avoid password errors. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, prepare your authenticator app or device. Click the sign-in button to continue. If prompted for a 2FA code, enter the current code from your authenticator app and submit it. If your organization uses SSO, select your identity provider and complete the sign-in on that page. After login, confirm you see the GitLab dashboard with your personal or group activity. To find your work quickly, use the search bar at the top and type a project name or keyword. To browse visually, click Projects in the left sidebar or the top navigation, depending on your layout. Select your projects to view repositories you own or have access to. Click a project name to open the project overview page. On the project page, review the left sidebar to locate key areas like repository, issues, and CI/CD. To access pipelines, click CI/CD in the sidebar and then click Pipelines. On the Pipelines page, identify the latest pipeline by looking at the top of the list. Click a pipeline status or pipeline ID to open the pipeline details. Inside the pipeline view, click a job to see logs, artifacts, and the exact steps that ran. If you need to rerun a pipeline, use the Retry button when you have permission to do so. To create or edit pipeline settings, go back to CI/CD and open Editor or Settings as available. If you cannot see a project or pipelines, check that you are in the correct group or namespace. If access is denied, request the right role from your GitLab administrator, such as reporter or developer. To keep your account secure, avoid using public computers or sign out when you are finished. When you are done, click your profile avatar and choose Sign Out to close your session safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.